traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 30th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So anyways, on the Euro Yen, I've been saying that likely this is going to end the wave Y. If it is the end of a wave Y, it's likely going to go all the way back down to these lows, and this is going to be like a big ABC correction on the daily. Now, the thing is we don't have a breaker structure yet. I really need to see this breaker structure to fully confirm that we have made this big turn to the downside. There is definitely a chance that it makes a higher low and goes up again, especially because all the higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where I have my Fibonacci retracement. If it goes down and breaks this low with momentum, then yeah, we definitely have the end of a correction on the 4 hour to daily time frame. If it, does like a double bottom type thing at a Fibonacci level and then breaks structure to the upside, then that definitely should turn us back to being bullish, just because the daily and the weekly time frames are definitely still in uptrends. And if we see a Fibonacci bounce, a higher low, and a breaker structure, that could be telling us that it's going to make another leg to the upside on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.